The CPAP headband on my ResMed AirFit P10 nosepiece is extremely worn out. And in this video I'll show you step by step how to replace this to make it feel like new again. My old elastic band is so stretched out that I've had to tie it off multiple times just to make it stay on my head. I actually should have replaced this long ago. So let me show you how to change this out. First, I'm going to detach the nose pillow for better access. And here the only part that will come off is the elastic headband. The gray plastic piece with the AirFit logo is permanently attached. These are the replacement headbands I'm using, and I'll list these in the description so it's easy for you to find. So grab onto the bottom of the headband and pull it towards the nose piece. The elastic band will slip off like a button on a shirt. Then slide the entire thing off. Now just do the same on the other side. At this point I'll grab one of my new headbands. Here, locate the slit in the fabric and insert the plastic arm into the opening like this. When I get to the end, I'll slip the large gray tab into the opening on the headband. I had to wiggle and pull on it a little bit, but eventually it will slide in and stay in place. So far, it's looking really good and I know it's not going to come off. Now on the other side, locate the opening in the fabric and I'll slip in the plastic arm with the arrow mark facing me. And here's a closer look at how to secure the headband to the connector. This is really quite simple, so you shouldn't have any problems doing the replacement. But once you've got it on, this is going to feel like new again. Last step is to clip in the air pillow and it's all done. I hope you can see that anyone can do this even if you never tried it before. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.